Nandama kami.
All television subscribers. Recently, we've been alerted of a large scam of broadcast anomalies. A broadcast anomaly is an event in which a television network airs content that may seem abnormal, elusive, or even outwardly disturbing. If you or your children
Nag-video. Nag-video.
Ay, sorry.
Nag-video mo. No.
Maintain composure. Do not look at the screen. Do not look at the screen. Cover your eyes or ears if possible. If you're below the age of 13, alert your nearest parent or guardian. Record your conversation with your nearest video camera. Send the footage via Samsung 386 Meadowview Drive, Weathersfield, Connecticut.
Sabi mo, ayaw ko ba hindi pa post-posting ko sa kanya mga placements, di ba? Kasi di ko mayan.
Such examples of broadcast anomalies include the following.
Ano na ako yan eh? Yun ang muna sa amin mga ito. Ang diin na diin niya. Diin yan. Pwede mo kong profile pang ano? Kung profile. Nakadiin na mo. Ang hindi eh. Yan. Hindi ko meron. Bago.